All right, guys, we just whipped it up. Time to taste it, man. Chicken nuggets. Mmm. Mmm. Mm-hmm. Now this is good shit. Mmm. Mmm. Cow skin. Mmm. Noodle. Mm-hmm. All I gotta say is that, man, like, I might be, you know, I might be a little slow. Ain't shit. Um, fucking broke, fat, ugly, stupid. But listen, I can fucking cook. That's one thing you can't say. That I can't cook? Shut up, bitch. I can fucking cook. Shut up. You know fucking shit about me, alright? I'm not gonna tell you shit about me. But what you will know, oh shit, this is spicy as fuck. What you will know is that I can fucking cook. You dig? Okay then. Don't fucking play with me. You know when I start whipping up the pans and shit, gets tragic out here. Alright, peace.